Today, I'll show you exactly how to integrate HubSpot with Microsoft Outlook, the smoothest, most reliable way to connect your email to your CRM and boost your productivity. Whether you're managing sales, marketing, or just want a smarter inbox, by the end of this walkthrough, you'll be tracking emails, logging contacts, and leveraging all your HubSpot tools directly from Outlook. So let's dive in and set it up step by step. First up, we're going to use the HubSpot add-in, which is recommended for all Outlook users. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, or even using Outlook on the web, this add-in is designed to be cross-platform, so no matter how you access Outlook, you'll benefit from the same handy integration features. Let's start with installing the add-in. Begin by navigating to your HubSpot account. You'll notice a settings gear icon typically located in the top right corner. Give that a click. Settings are your main control panel in HubSpot, so you'll be coming here anytime you need to adjust key integrations. Next, look over to the left sidebar and find Integrations. Then select Email Integrations. This is where HubSpot helps you connect with almost any email provider, but today, we're focusing on Outlook. Scroll or scan for the Office 365 Outlook option. When you find it, go ahead and select it. Now, you'll see a button that says Go to App Source. If you haven't seen Microsoft's App Source before, think of it like an app store for Outlook-related plugins. Click the button. It'll open up App Source in a new tab or window. On the App Source page, you'll see details about the HubSpot add-in. Just click Get It Now and follow the prompts. These prompts will walk you through signing into your Microsoft account if you're not already signed in, and will help you choose which Outlook environment to install the add-in into. If you're doing this within a company setup, you may need admin approval, so don't worry if there's an extra step. Once the add-in is installed, it's time to connect your accounts. Open Outlook, either the desktop app or via browser. Open a new email or a calendar event, and you should see a fresh HubSpot icon or pane, usually on the top bar or to the side. Click it. The first time you use it, you'll be prompted to sign in with your HubSpot credentials. Give yourself a moment here and make sure you're authorizing the right HubSpot account, especially if you have access to multiple portals. The prompts will guide you through, step by step. Once you've authorized, your Outlook is now linked up with HubSpot. Now for the exciting part, using the integration. When you start drafting a new email in Outlook, look for the HubSpot sidebar. Typically, it'll appear on the right. This is where the magic happens. From here, you can log your email directly to a contact's timeline in HubSpot, which means you'll never have to dig through your sent items again to remember what you said last. You can set up email tracking, see when someone opens or clicks on your messages, which is perfect for sales follow-ups or marketing campaigns. You'll also have quick access to meeting links, so scheduling with prospects is painless. Templates and snippets are available too, helping you respond faster or standardize your outreach. If you're new to these HubSpot tools, think of them like turbo boosters for your inbox. They save you time and keep every conversation on track. And that's it. You've successfully integrated HubSpot with Microsoft Outlook. If any part of this setup felt tricky, remember, sometimes permissions or corporate settings can add extra steps, but just follow the prompts and take it slow. This integration is absolutely worth it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Got questions? Drop a comment below. I love helping out with real-life setups. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, actionable tech tutorials. See you next time.